Hey guys, wanna know how to delete your account in Geeks4Geeks? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first up, simply open up your Geeks4Geeks application. And once you've done that, here you should be on your home page right here. Now, on the bottom right, you can see your profile. Just simply press on it. And after that is done, just scroll down until you see settings. For me, it's right here under preferences. Simply select settings, and right here on the bottom right above app version, you can see delete account. Just simply select delete account, and then here you can see the procedure. You can just read this thoroughly, and once you're ready, just simply select proceed to delete account. And once you've done that, here you can simply select delete again, and that's it. After that, your account deletion procedure will successfully have begun. So if you want to cancel it, just simply log in with your existing credentials that you had tried to delete with. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.